If you want to delete a YouTube app from your Android phone, here's how to do that. So lately on all of the new models, YouTube app is a built-in app which cannot be deleted. However, there is a way out if you don't like it and you don't want to see it around on your home screen, or there may be variable reasons for that. So first of all, locate your YouTube app. There it is. Now hold your finger on it. And let's press on this info icon at the right corner of this pop-up message. Great. So first of all, you gotta press force stop right here at the bottom. Press OK, and now simply press disable. Confirm your choice by pressing disable. And if you will go back, you won't find it anywhere. YouTube is gone and nowhere to be found. Let's search for YouTube. No YouTube. No YouTube is popping up. So yeah, we're pretty much removed it. However, as I already said, it cannot really be deleted. You can just hide it. However, if you want it back, if your relationship got better, you're simply to open up the settings. Now locate your apps. There we are. And in your apps, locate your YouTube app. Usually all apps are divided by the alphabetical order, so let's locate our YouTube. There it is. Simply press enable. And let's check it out. It should be back, not here, but maybe here. All right, there it is. There is our YouTube. So basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.